we going home? Alessia, are we going? Are you coming home? Are we going home? Okay, Daddy's going to go home without you. Are you coming?
No.
Do you want to stay here? Are you going to stay here? Mummy's going. Mummy's going. Are you coming with me? Are you coming? What do you want to do? I am taking a photo. Oh, I'm taking a video of Alessia being cheeky monkey. Come on, you little bandido. Bandido. Hey, bandido, we're going home. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Unless you can't jump start a tractor. What are you doing?
It's working.
Is it working? Is it broken?
It's working.
You sure?
Yes.
Show me what you've been. How did you fix it? What did you do to fix it? Did you fix it? Are the wheels broken? Should we go home now? Yes? Come on, Mummy's waiting for us. Come on, Mummy's waiting for us outside. Let's go. This way. Go the other way. This way. Come on, jump down. Jump down. Come on, let's go. Oi, get up.